Introducing the high-performance RTD Lithium Ion Battery. Measured at only 0.8 kilograms, it is truly a lightweight and compact-sized battery. Even in a much smaller body, it produces a higher amount of cranking power compared to a regular lead-acid battery. Built with a fast charging feature with a higher current capability, RTD Lithium Ion Battery has an excellent life cycle with more than 6,000 cycles under the JISD standard. It is long-lasting, low maintenance, and can be left idle without activating it up to 6 months. The battery is meant to be a pollution-free product. It does not contain any acid and heavy metals, such as lead, cadmium, and mercury. The battery is capable of a variety of mounting positions, for any riders that prefers custom motorcycle build. RTD Lithium Ion Battery will give you the confidence you need on the road.